I have these 4 wood animal cutouts. I got them from Hobby Lobby, all in a pack, and I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl chocolate. Now, I did spray a little bit of water on my wood cutouts before applying the paint, as I kind of want this to look more like a stain rather than full coverage of the paint. This pack also has a chicken in it, but I use that on another project. Once those dried, I found this stencil from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take a foam dabber and some snow owl paint, and I'm going to lightly dab over my stencil. I'm just randomly laying it down on top of each animal, so they're going to get a little bit of a different pattern. But I love this stencil, and again, this came right from the Dollar Tree. I have 4 wood letters to spell out the word home, and I'm going to paint those in the Wise Owl Higgins Lake. Now, all paint products can be found over on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm going to set all my pieces aside to fully dry. I found these wood houses. They have a little stand on the back side. They came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the stand from all of them. I also found this long piece of wood. It was pre-cut to this size from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to give it a coat of snow owl. I'm using this smaller piece of wood just as a spacer so that I can try to get everything nice and even, and I'm going to lay it at the bottom of each house and glue the farm animal on the top. And I'm just using hot glue to hold everything in place. I had the 2 end animals looking out and the 2 inner animals facing each other. I'm going to go back to the long piece of wood, and I'm going to attach each house to the wood. Starting with the one house all the way to the left side. I'm using this wood piece as a spacer so I know how far down to put it and how much space to leave between each house. And I repeated that until all 4 of my houses were glued down onto the back piece of wood. I'm then going to take my wood letters and I'm going to place them above the farm animals. Now, I think this looks cute just as a hanger like this, but I'm going to drill a hole in between the houses. I did this 3 times and I added a little screw-eye hook here, and then you can hang whatever you'd like. And I really like how this came out. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you could check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.